Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. So first of all, launch Snapchat on your mobile devices. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner. Now once you come here, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, you'll see the option of Bitmoji. Tap on it. Now simply tap on Unlink my Bitmoji at the bottom. Now over here, tap on Remove. Now all you would have to do is tap on Create my avatar again. Now simply tap on Create New Avatar. Now all you would have to do is choose your desired gender for your Bitmoji given below. You can choose either male or female according to your preferences. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.